Right, welcome back mwanchu mulino motegeli ndo sesule ndema bia bono kigima tokotebinga ayura sensemali radio 102.7 na wiga sensemali TV. Good morning to usanga enensemo ya gatatu aseto so asingambo ya getembe mambia bona sumuru witu etwani ya getembe na akomanyinga ntuli tweka nko batwe nomboga ni gaiga gukonera mushimiwa engineer Justus Muchoge yikire amonaintu to sangama mangana mange ansensemali ya siasa na mangana yobonchiria yana mangana mange traba tokolia bono mambia katokumwalika ni omogeni itasema mbia bono ikingi nchoko koranga gendera kutubwatia tulikirigali ya Tembe TV nsamo ya Facebook ya Tembe TV nsameli ya YouTube na boigo alia sina bachitu na bukutu tumera ujumbe SMS kikora yote 9-10 ntobe tokolia ya mambia bono ibirengeli bia unibienge nchenene. Karibu sana Matilda.
Yes.
Kerondo chemos ke engineer Justus wikira se studio. Na ndombo go komone sana koba nere litukulia lero andake ni maiti na bira sementangani ya uko rase mbeo bono mukaribishe ngase jirabene.
Engineer, good morning.
Good morning.
Mheshimiwa.
Wakire.
Sitaitwa Nchirechi. Na chechi.
Sitaitwa no mheshimiwa. Omo engineer.
Yes.
Inere profession. Na mheshimiwa lende twabuli chikura.
Ango nataka mente na ki no moiboli lakini
tukarasiasa.
Lakini wakire.
Wakire uye.
Yes, karibu.
Asante.
I guess studio ndio tunyara busanga.
Na kirimbiya mano. Thank you. Asoko welcome as studio. Tusanga berada to.
Yes.
Torena ki weekend guchaka.
Alright, engineer Justus ketogo chake masema sumuligirelia no motegeli bono mambia andake to tebinga who is engineer Justus Muchoge.
Justus Muchoge comes from Bosongo Gaiga, Kitutu Jaje South, Kanyatieko. That's where I was born.
Yes.
Brought up, went to school up to primary level, then went to national school somewhere in Kisumu. From there, which Nairobi. Which Nairobi, and the rest is history.
Yes.
Have been in active politics as a student in 1991-92 to Arwani Moi, Moi Ochire, to Arentire Kativinya. We started fighting for the current constitution in the year 1994. Karutwa Chagete Katiba Tuitakayo. And our Dr. William Tunga, Professor Kivuta Kibwana, ni timu Evans. So literally, I've grown up in activism, in politics. We have seen it all.
Alright, wakinire na siasa na andi no monchoreli yole aboigo umumanyi siasa. Kartokuligire libu ya siasa chagusi. Gusi politics. Are we going to the right direction? Wikrabaniga. Ayo manyere kura siasa mwikana sete.
Usisi ito we have always been divided.
Yes.
The most unfortunate thing. Abanta bange abana siasa ba usi vita kirete. Abana siasa baroro mbabwati interest chumo usi. Munda what interest chiae. Ndo yivachivese choro kia bantu na wate chivese chingana. And because of the poverty levels to wata sisi to usi onyo muntu yenyora in leadership. Lakini as bono kuna togo kwana iga ebintondo chibigendrete mashamba nima.
Yes.
Nende bifusaka actualized at least 85% to 90% go to the right direction yoko what is umesimiwa Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Opposition
a government tuaralire egusi giku abaraigete bakeba kungusanga into notole maigaje serikali abande batenga into tobwata wahon abande bakotebanga into tomatie setole. Now perspective ya politics ayino mwanyi bugi siasa nkimugusha kwanta korabonega eligere siasa yayerekana.
This is the way yomugusi bono no what is Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. That is the only way umugusi ara understand amuntu aramanyiguru yomugusi na ende ralento mugusiamo nende ragere efoisi itase Kenya yigwekane. Just in case Dr. Fred Matiang'i wins or doesn't win, at least yogo chakuriamo uwaka chikurense me eyemo neoro kyo abakenya that Musi is now united, no Musi is a factor in the Kenyan politics and in Kenyan leadership.
Engineer, anda kekiro kurigiriria siasa yiga ya gusibonega. Kwa vera se emiaka wetane mirongo ibiri asa magana siasa. Nararia ria chenjiri ase urugongo ruiga rwa Gusii. Anda kiabara ya baiga babono kusaba na siasa baboniga. Na bali bi emiaka korubu na bono 90s na boigo emiaka ya 2000 ndaki ba kororekana. Use nararia ri kwa rorenga Amerika go chenji ase abara ya baiga. Na siasa chiga.
Mbiyama asiri swali elio. Ega kogera siasa yane na bunduzi with the rate by the rate oyo nde Joe Chanyona.
Yes.
Joe Chanyona karatu arenga sa university na established relationship ya engia sana uchasare. So he actually mentored me. Reita na koritiga sana yo korento bomu Gusii karatu arenga no muske the rate Simon Nyachai.
Yes.
May God bless his soul. Was a fine gentleman, committed you, what if you Gusii, but Anyona. A generation area, the virus was yes because of what the leadership.
Yes.
But I the Korokia about Gusii, now Kenya generally, na leadership, na interest chunks about what. Karumaru upon no more Kenya Chai and the Tina or the Kapagusi by me. My tapateli, and you get to chant the tiger named Damwam about Gusii to what. Anyona. Miaka yo spi, he dealt with the people. Interest, chumontorio uinse na jare kuwati. Na siasa yabo njare ngelia based on money. Siasa yabo yare based in terms inaki ingitoka kwa wananchi, michando ya wananchi nili how do we alleviate na kitokulusi michando ili wananchi baba babwate. Siasa ya chagete miaka 15 ya hairire ija irana siasa ya kuonyesha upabe ichi celebrity yani ngenjeriti na kindi metenda kebeke kausi na nyodre chibese ninko gendane na beka abantu ebinyoro na basera bange chikura na itano na nijigari chinene abantu bandura no muchumbende and that's all. That's why uranyore nabono ena bachumbe twachore tebali parliament. Monti muchumbo yo mutenenire orosiri bill ya very discussed in parliament either iguro ya Gusii ebe no korosha mangana ye kwale ya sauti mugirango ebe ne ke ibirubumbiro tubone to kurikiro kora reclamation osino butaka buri Gusii nabono mubwekano echaye bonus cha sogete. It is pathetic.
Yeah.
Kwa iguro muchumbe nano ya mugo kwana. Because that is the interest of the leadership. You need to show the people the way. You need to stand up for the rights yaba abantu bao. Abarimu, again the farmers, again the students, again the kila muntu. Lakini generally all of them have no interest. Iriso ni ryo kubabolia bata ninchemba tete. Yojo igachikure bande ba to tubekera ini. Anya timba tibeso mubuko mbagonjo. So current politics is money based, not people, not leadership. Is about money. How much money do you have? Na kikwa sera bantu. Na kibawa chora. Karawa soro na kikwa was more money. Nendo chochirende in the next election sako. So no tu ikirabo. That is the way njina wanko nyororaigo.
Mheshimiwa wakonirenga maybe comparing the politics ya maigake yabo mugaka kina the later nyona the later mzee Simon Nyachai na bande yugwa tebrenga ndake tigwika inene yabono andake witren chinchira mbinu na techniques yokolekana watebira boniga ere based on money and tokenism ebyugwa kwanire. What do you think who is supposed to be blamed norujinga umwana inchi oyo igo botambo ko chorumurai nabwate nsemo yoko mochiwa?
Well, mwananchi na wate share but sometimes abagambi togochora ebakorenta ubutaka ubonga si wananchi so that wananchi bairane ko basabirira kibese umubwekano kwanyoro mu cyumba cyoribu CDF ni ya serikali kibese jiro ni ya serikali kitobekire specifically for that particular constituency kigutumika kibasa likyabo ekero mu cyumba gocha bateba mbateneneretie bintu ebyo lakini kwanyara nero guchiru individually wetana na kire kenyoro guchirwa korokia abantu shiringi 3,000 nako echekie dagutumira uji skuru ne chiane tariche serikali bono ne chiane nje nako and because you butaka nende sometimes itnyore na utasoma illiteracy eroro umuntu bwegena because abantu mbachandegete abantu kwirinde maisha amashambani n'amakongo bese njiyo buno kendegeteyo so umuntu yamuforce koranaki anyway rende uyo kangeire bese tigamwe lakini kwale konyara the majority y'abantu abagwake kura n'abantu bakite school up to at least from 4 level babwate tiamangana siasa yasobo yani ibinyoro bitugaiga umuntu nabako mwachi bese ninde takoikura so literally abantu baitu ntubwate part to play na into ntubwata magosa itu because asenare kiba decide direction getu mubwekano no choge ndutumie usine kibeso usine mubwekano tuire kisambo central province tukubarusi na kure umurengo gete na babanda bagukwiba nutumia kibeso nora tumie deuno bagakora kende lakini bona asenche bunankurigirira siasa yasitu usigaiga ngora into turi maiga saba Kenya bonspi na siasa yetu because onkora nena baturukane batugete
reason
you see abantu they even erect abantu very reasonable people who come to the national stage and are able to articulate a certain issue you negotiate apart from maybe 1 or 2 members of parliament we have no any other mundu narora atene address that parliament apart from maybe 1 or 2 who I don't even want to mention here.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, he don't want to mention. And that was correct. Can you say bakaro morengo mwa?
Engineer, na ekero bono karorenga situation ya ikirega. Ko siasa ya gusi ya bere embe ko ikira ebirenge biga. Ngo bono rache bune sevia. Ningo rache gotoria gusi ko rwase siasa yiga. Siasa yo bonche yo kororekana na boiko konya kurwana.
Mind abantu badana nature have as a vacuum te koba yobusa ngokwana tore tutararuo even in that generation iji celebrity kogenda parliament to kumisi babere batatu bantu bategukwana bo bari anti amangana yikibese iri yakabere at least education ngosoera sabantu tuare konyore a national rito to improve the economy of this country factories chiwe set up abantu abanga banyore bibarua generation yenke inyinge nyore nere empowered it will reach a time the next 5-10 years you will come to realize now again think it will be history so it's education, it's empowerment and the constant civic education yogote yabantu baituna osero gungu tuita koro osero gungu gara turu twacho wrong readers because bona bachumbe to chore dera amanye dine gasi ya nona nagende kenyoro nugo tebya bantu ne tinga ya ne ge wat kibisto ninye ya ne wat kibisto nane ya ne wat kibisto 12 dio kaigona that's got tebi no eno montamde na ya uskora buka mambi kwa genda kuburugire ka ya uskora enda kora tore chai uskora enda kora simika manyagwania manyagwania na ruja kuri mambi to tonde ndagera they have no interest inki na akire momanyati nigenda naki wekera ini 50 100
Mheshimiwa Engineer Justus abangana gukwana na mangana yengencenene lakini bono ligiriro rongurwa gusi no umugusi no muntu mayirenga omuntu bwa magendero na bwo muntu bwo bonchereri omuntu kwerwanirira asoko kuri bintu bya yirigiranyo ligi ntako bike mugati mesa bono siasa jigaturu kiboniga ekaro junya okorekana ntura bwango morochika siasa cyokorekana guikampaka no aba na siasa abatingono babwata na chishati ni chiyamenya sema tanga nemiga do you think ibintu bisiasa chuko musanana ngokuna chiro monchorelia asensamu monchoreli
of course yes na hochigokuna tatiga nende siasa yokurwana that is political immaturity
yes
polino bwana wa siasa twabere siasa myake bega as much as tutana kwa choro
true
some of us ntwana kwa choro but mbondo tana because ya chora tumambia ajitene chibese na therefore he knows politics ya Kenya gosi ya usi better than some of us no ite kunyarekana abantu bakurwana, that's politics ya bana usakurigereria mugabana tubwate karo tubwata matanga gucha muino gaiga
gongera
ya gongera ni gisigi umuntu barwanite komo no muchumbo sa mugirana up to now. That's almost another 7-8 years ago. Has their character changed? No. Tuanyoreta abana mubungo Kitutu Chache North no mubungo Kitutu Chache South. Bakurwana a stage. Of course, as much as my member of parliament of Kitutu Chache South, ukurukwando ni kibage ndi twapingana chikura ko makambu akabo mucyumbe. Umuntu ase incident iri umuntu to kuraumu no mubungo Kitutu Chache North. Tikanya bakwana kore nonyoreri bagari uri kumirane to gukuru umuntu mic to gukuru ani umuntu stage kuramo umuntu stage na ya nini kwana mangana. You have that chance ekanoria kure karanzire na yote no kwane. That's what we call democracy, and that is we kotegerere umere ayo yo opponent yawo akwana na ayo mana kuru umwiraniri utigire wana inchi bago chachi naki who is better. Ngoto tebige ndekia nege ndeka birkiria karage kurwana kisegi chikobo injuries inkoba chiri montoko endali nyagitari. Who pays for this medical bill? True. So if it's your family, it is the family that chives cheta ko school fees, then you take it to nyagitari. Kroja sense myo bonjorania no na bante karo bamanye dena usine mbere. There's nobody who uja kalenta no business chaiga karabinto bikoba destroy it up and down left. So aba usibi na wateba enkwirigeri tole naba kebali bakwirigeri naba kebali babwate. For example, so kwaka nabono Kenya ngima igepenta bausi na abantu bali in the road transport sector.
Yes.
But you sako in the road transport sector, they are not more than 5 people. Na ba control lakini asu montore in Nairobi, montore Kisumu kama ndio chigani chabagu. But majority of bausi are not there. So as much as abausi urios ubiokire aso ile biashara biaye, he does it extremely well, or she does it extremely well. But the majority of us, 90-95%, we are in a bad shape. No ulio tambo kire tana ojagwa toyo mayaga koboko. This is what is hailing emosi. Gengu na bono iga bantu mbobate freedom ya yo kora siasa ya bana batagete. Kwa makuru kwanyora umusio mino tena nirekerogo. Kwa mana utagete kuyorokina nayo uri number 1 kumurama na korora kumorokena nayo useless. Iba ugokira ayogende siasa ya ukando atebyo umuntu uri go support naki aya uri nere no yo minto nkuboli ari lakini ngitiga ngende nkurigiri chikure cyawo ngorayigo. Yes. Pati wote kuyorokena number 1 na Olia, Muchinga, useless, tana okora kende. Ekero togo chora, umeshimiwa the retired president Uhuru. Abange ba murugeta maleta makongo. Yes. And he was looking and say nobody. But he was not abandoned by abantu of Mount Kenya. They never abandoned him. They voted for him. We timid amagoso si abwate moko mwakira chikura ga kwiriria so ire nyumba mana we kransire kru mana was como shape e direction iri mutagete lakini tayo kesa kwite nega ke do konyara abuna bantu ke ntobwati bese. That's being stupid.
Yes, engineer bakiro kire enege sakwegeke anda ke bata biringa chikura chomugusi nchiko sana kupeko murai asekiro lakini yatoka ngabono nande gusiega twatwalira barai babiri umoske David Maraga niga gotabanga nere riogo anda ke Dr. Fred Matiang'i nere kura sense moyende nonye tara urukianga anda ke ikiama kia ingireki Maragero already na nyale toko so akoro kiama soire asukurige kiroge kiga ebiche iga nkie koreta babere basokire chikura tubwata already ne chinge na nde bono twachibaganire kyagara already twatwalira candidates babere.
There is bobe mboyo bo turaba no embadatu. Number 1 umugaka the retired Chief Justice. Among the finest men is one of them. Among the principled men is one of them. But unfortunately, a party mbe ni irie kara bantu tokosoka siasa tokore siasa yi. Na bango chikosoka siasa na ninda ite siasa kwanyora bantu bakurigirika kando. Aigo chikotenena abantu batena ke ayebu wachiri buya. Aina etugo support. So this dio sandroro likobwati yumu. For bono iga aserio sarire busi nelia Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. So we are not ntigo stop oyonde umugaka the retired Chief Justice Maraga.
Yes.
Inabakogenda. Yes. But as abantu bagusi ba make a decision. Abantu ba sentero ngakiteri batana guteni president babiro sabadatu. Lakini karo chikore cyaba chikogende ke kabu ekemo. No ryo jakuri. No eno uru yo tu arusyo. Na ateneze chikura tachiegwa. Na abantu ba sentero bagateba nkibaki togaraki
tokwa
nkoba kitokwa andi nende karaba kibaki nende bagatebya uru what is kibaki onye gutagite your future bengia what is uru akaigwa mangana ya gaso asikiba. So finally uru tabe president. So the same thing here kero tokoteba abanta bange 90 to 95% yaba usiba atebe no Dr. Okengo Matiang'i. So tiga maragana bakogenda abagusi babeke chikore cyaba getongekemo. So at the end of the day nabe kumenyekana abagusi Dr. Okengo Fred bakoraki bachikura. And at the end of the day mwaka mana go akulia rais maragana gi naring the wish of the people. So that is it. I'm talking about usi. Yeah.
But andake sikregeli ki ababire go soko cross region yamo nkirete is there a possibility of division yomugusi?
No. Teyo pipi chikura sagwa ko ena si chiri cyaba usi chikubarwa Maraga will get only 2 or 3%, and the rest would be 97%, 96% will be for Dr. Fred. Yes. So, which is accepted. No, I say it now. Bachirani wito kuru maatega our brothers and sisters here. That's how they always fought. No, I never go to Norenga, people went to Raida Bagatigorengo. So the same thing, Elimuina, Gideon Muina, Takate, Nene, Kurwana, na the current president, Dr. William Ruto. The pressure was there. So finally, he did not get what he wanted. So the same happened in the Central. Those people are always there, but the minds, sway towards one direction. And therefore, when you are Johnson, no, you go
Omwaka Maraga otanga siringa gago chikobuli ne chama ya United Green Movement UDM egetunik bono chama ya United Green Movement onyira liri erebeno yumaraga I think akerongoja kulikira yali se bitandao itabe na so you are so musangirano monene sano ringa Nairobi o NDC National Delegates Convention Conference uyurangiri ne chama ya Jubilee of which abange bako tebanganda ko musangirano lyo lenge asoko moendoze Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. What was it?
I am not. I must declare that from last year, Marina joined the Jubilee.
Yes.
Last year around August, I became a member of the
Jubilee Party.
Because now Nimbuate interest towards 2027. So I didn't even know by that time that Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i was in Ngocharo.
Yes. But
thank God, he's come. You will find us in Jubilee. So Tindi on the top hierarchy, ye party that I can talk with confidence or on behalf of ye party.
That's great.
Igongukwana na engineer Muchoge, umwanasiasa na roje NDC.
Yes.
And the few sections of the constitution ya Jubilee.
Yes.
Manyete. Dr. Fred Taigota Kirukobe party and the Karoli civil servants who also a member ya cabinet as per the 2010 constitution. So as much as you're anyore you will remember, yes, lakini to registered, lakini what the policies and everything you go implement in area serikali iliero eroro ili yagocho liri. He must have become a member in between. Again, to Kiarengari, Nanaki Roche, Jubilee was sending a statement. Na, I have not throw Mundo Koretegas na the retired president Yukurukuru, Yo Koretegas na the retired president Yukurukuru, Dr. Kengo Matiani, is our member. Koboliaro president. And the Jubilee Karaya chiri through all the processes. Nature to a delegates courage nomination election from the grassroots. Eru or legitimate delegates from the county level and from the constituency level. Government and Nairobi either December or January somewhere there. That is officially when they will endorse Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i as their candidate. One iga wale endorse abantu nainera bakumye kujikoti batebe na ke na ndia bete member what and what into check register of political parties blah 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 blah. So literally they were sending up a message na mumuroje na karansta mumuroje ndiali no mumuroje rediga ne noroje nende na charusi uniform ine ndabe kinga aboli ne ro yuna kuna wonjo kanaga ya manya. That is the direction. That is the message they were trying to send.
Yes, mheshimiwa asinsemo ya ekiama ya Jubilee na obwa mate kiama kino Dr. Fred Matiang'i asinsemo yende kiama kia UPA ritukore igoro mbanya lete kwa cioria abroaniriria ainsi kiama kio na kurindi chinga kicho bakanyara ko kendera gotebanga candidate yabo Dr. Fred Matiang'i ekirengeri kia ongereki.
That is okay. Tofauti ni hapo.
UPA watende candidate yabo etiketi bakwana na Dr. Fred Matiang'i.
Again, the keroro mnatoko yenda towards 2027.
Yes.
Omoeli pingo leke somewhere February March 2027. There will be a coalition of political parties. Even this coalition kwa roche no ene karatoko endorse ya Uhuru. Chipati chari kumira na au chumira yagendaria ya muendosi yagendaria ya muendosi ya muendosi chipati chonsi chamo make a presidential candidate yobo. The same thing happened with Azimio. Karutu was supporting muske Raila. Party ya waipe gacha gatwara delegates cha Congress bagateba. We are forming a coalition with the ODM, our presidential candidate Nyarebe, a coalition. So all these parties are making up coalitions. Nore Nechichavo Gachagua and whatever as the united opposition,
yes,
is also going to be a coalition. So they will come up with a name, and that name, nende na wao kumera na wao matia, nende basoe umarengoyo oyo bamanakonya a single presidential candidate. So that's in order. Again, to some of us to are kwana nende tokote muskemati nyakore. There must have been a problem. Ekera soete siasa with America, according to me, and that's my own personal opinion. These people that already established themselves in politics, they are their parties. And to Matiang'i atakiri okora no gosoa atevya ba Kenya nguria ndijikura. Aitana ne Kenya masu support yaye through all failures tribes. Chia Kenya. So ekarago cha wikaranza na babo Gachagua mbamanyite wait yaye na kienga. Lakini wana karako bacho ni media dia bantu ba etana ndi Kenya ba rositi party ba ko registration ba 12 members and the rest okukobera Congo. They will still see you as a junior partner. So I hope that will be rectified by rebranding Jubilee. That must happen. Na agocha chikura chiwa kwa chakuru no kuri grassroots paka national level highway party. Then after that they must do rebranding. Ya Jubilee properly. Umanyite no ene karoko genda kwale no bwate network ya okwa kwale by those elected leaders. kero kogenda Turkana no bwate some elected leaders ko Turkana who takes you there.
Yeah.
And there after that we will have the whole of next year to do all those things. 12 months alafu naenda mara chake another serious campaign tarehe moja January 2027 nichukura chikaraga asti this entire some exercise.
Yes.
You cannot do it when you are in government and you have money to misuse government resources. But if you are coming from outside, it's not an easy thing.
So according to engineer Justus Muchoge, the technique Daktari Fred Okengo is using was mbinu yaye area asinchu bado na ni style yaye.
Of course, that's correct.
Because we've had people saying matingitali serious ngakibona abayiga tararoleka nugumyoka. What's your take on that?
Bali bagukwa nabo bali used the traditional ways of campaigning.
Oh yes.
So abantu mbaro batayite koro kubabe yabo bagutumba kibese ngogenda ndikericho mambye tanga na public address system chebe kwale kyangu kwali bantu kwaye crowd wacha wakora kyangu. So when you go there kwanya ole crowd ile hired kwamana kuji address kwamana go wadana that kind of campaigns chirine chikuja gochaka January 2027. Okay. For now I think according to me is doing a good thing, a good job. Correct. Private consultation, get private support, ekerogo soka wano so ai paru ko the ordinary mwananchi ago support, you already have we go from various sectors abantu. For example, na wana abatakwa netine vya maybe go sign the agreement you support you not know that thing ngiro chake publicly. It starts underground. Abantu baumira na kienyeji baumira na boti but scars pakawacho goja sepo wana karamoja goja in the open maigege muko. So according to me bali barengereti na tigane raso chi brand ramyo ke go kogenda chi brand goro chances are you even make blunders in a chekachakwa you make mistakes here and there. By the time you make a mistake you by the time to 2027 people are fed up with you. They don't want anything to do with you. For example, the blunders our brother Okurukugachewa make it. You know, it can't come to opposition. Some of us we grew up in opposition. From the time Chair Moi, he has been with Moi. Then he came and became with Kibaki. He came with the Uhuru. So he cannot now come to the opposition and be a puri or dictating even to Gwenetago because he feels he comes from a tribe that has got the numbers. No, Kenya belongs to all.
Yes. Yes. Mheshimiwa, tukutigana ni yo national. Andake wakwana ira buna bono ko haya crowds. Aba sae ngutumika vale sana. Akiro kuri buna ekatia bajumbe aiga soro kongorwa gusi. Napo igatia bara yaba na kurwa iga gusi. Okonyora ngambo bwate titi mugete chaba sae. Ba kutumika si misangirikano kwanyora ngo aba sae bachire batakire gusaga no muntu ose bachire bakonya wakano nyene riogi. Orochenga gusi aba sae mbara mpatubegete bobe.
That's correct. Abasai atumikire bobe. Mani ndio karatu alenga abasai tukubate sababa nyona. We never fought. Mwagenda record yukie kicho bina even from our university days. Tokonyore record yali na muchuge. Na chete utumika buna eguni usaga na the opponent. Even the time to akora siasa yetu yos nationally and even our local politics chiagusi you can't. On a generation here, these young people should understand. Mwana siasa yuko mwachi besaji kuwa new muntu nda wendu kora mtevi naki esukuvisiana no wakande ya college. Area kabere ega sinkwa ndigete somewhere. Egere man kuruwe gachi iri manja kuruwan. Ege kora sakonyole gachi itautora time moja wakoraki au chakuruwan. So those are ebina biyo abasaye babwenda tari shiringechi 200 300 mwagenda akionko basaba basaye let me use this media rende usaba basaye no more especially ba usi baito ekero mwana siasa uchi gutumia ake sabu naki inkia koire ngaskia kulikire egokwa egento okobeka omuguko mbiasara kia kuigoreire okobeka omuguko lakini tari eri no chwa Kenya lebe usali omukutano nyarebe oya ushiringi 100 usali ushiringi 200 umana kwerokekeraga umwana siasa uyu stili nene no auto kugutiga because tomorrow so wako ukwe tabwati interest yuji kuna kuligereria family yao tabwati interest yuji gara ene nyagitari mate na pole ega ne tata itko ba associated no boguni ubu tawuji kwanza wate no muntu no yo no lenge ta wanchirana gara atuma bantu ay private na yechi bese chiri nyagitari so wonko basaba baside the young people more especially the people bali miaka ya 35 and below ine the generation yekurwana
yes
tuikonya mwako le 40 le 45
yes
what family nero gutumika buneguni ine generation wende kuli kuchigasi anye kuroji you are fiscally fit de no jete skuru ga form 4 te yumana siasu yakwire police te yumana siasu yakwire jeshi uchigo funduswa properly na kiutumia tools jese tari chinkundi ojago
bagende jeshi
alright mwanchu mulino mutegereria asante sana sinchuko tubwatia emambia bono murubuli kurunga etwani ensamu yengambo yagetembe bono mambia katukuje kusangamo nere engineer Justus Muchoge unomugeni ituga mushumi wa kuruchisa muchicha kitutu cha South bono mambia katukuje kusanga onsi amange ayo mwenyene nugwete birengera byago andake nana kutukira komenti gusukwa neni tuye masemo siasa chagusi ine amangana iga bono liberia siasa ngayo chiriko guchi inkitukwenda ko rumo gusi ayo mwenyene e direction weta ko nerelie iga uruchinga ibintu bya sarikeire kene kiri kwento kolekana ko igure galia ukwandira mangana ao egati yabo kurugusi konyora abarayi babire baterango yokobo president ebirengeli bya kwa bigule ayanda kebya gombiri mu nchumu ligeno motegerali 0741 583 0726 447367 ekerugutu akira esimi kusotulikira ujumbe chiago emambia bon mushimu akara kuligiria amangana bono gusi Kisii na Nyamira county our constituencies emyaka bono ne 3 yelire yokan juburai obubuligiti development wise nkura kwana have we achieved or bado asinali mtu yosarikiri
well tinda tara usiji constituency chinyinge ndache twari witarot talk witarot of confidence na arolire lakini chiri chinke na tarire for example say to getutu cha south na itire getutu cha north na itire Nyaribari gaiga na chire Bonchari
yes
chiri nearby I can't claim na tarire of rate south Mugirango Machoge and the rest but Nyaribari here just because it's near here Bonchari the same ogetutu ito gaiga me I have not seen anything going on. The only thing narora iparanere yarenge kurumarani ko yenda kegogi edete sombo galia yarenge program muskichimi arekoros nero yaerete azikitutu north paranere kuruboncharia egocha timendo se yange World Bank or something like that egocha mosocho yagenderete engakiyumuske onyonka muchumbe nero naro chinero yakoreki yarualie gaetaraganga situmbwa bwigacha mosocho and that's all Nyaribari tinarrakin alaria sana tarde Nyaribari gaiga including the CDF money they are given including the care igenga na wana for example say to gaiga okonyora chibe senyi amini chiparanchiro chia kera chirijire bakuru routine maintenance ya roads but that's still in a pathetic situation oeta makuli gaiga if you have a small car you can't move
meaning amangana development is one thing
it is extremely bad. It's extremely bad. Igenga mna one for example kwa the national level
okona mwananchi nkia gukwana yatembe yes agree bwa bako mwenyene karibu sana dadi aha right asante kanalikia ye everybody ye agantukubwata naye nga abarayi abago cyo gusiba aro 50 una ni empowerment na alisi kuyere kugenda barose ibintu gite byarolekana ere tofauti. What is the problem? Abakoboni. Kia kirigeli na buku tuwa kira 0741583878 na buku 0726447367 kira tuku nye kusangamo tuwachi kwende mutumoko umushimiwa Justus.
Tigangira liye endugu ya nekuru sauti mogirango. Di chibulire direct. Egentu kegendrete kusi tali empowerment. Egentu kegendrete kusi primary noko nakimugiro kegendere kwende. Noko sera abantu bagusi egere baburie serikali manakuru batena ntu abaserete.
Gono kwa maki.
Ntu abaserete ichama cyangiro cyero basereire. That's the language babwate. Ase empowerment tiere no embo ikoyo teyo. Ase empowerment kumachikoroleka nake ya Rift Valley mnabono nandi ni wasinigisho and some places maybe mano is just wasinigisho and nandi alia saba abantu bali kwererwa aita jipigi usikiende. But in the actually ebinte bimogoroke empowerment even Central Kenya even Coast buna bachizo even ababunga abaitu bagucha gusia egento tokote ababunga abaitu bagusia kelino primary no gwaka abantu chibese na 64 shillings na 100 shillings gento gekuruke empowerment nkeyo tikabaligie ekara bakora empowerment ngia banyore keombe bagore tinga bachali batebetinga etu abagore keombe kino mugendere gusia.
Asante mheshimiwa. Uchubulire yetu baise gusuka kurwa sembeo katukumyoka sense mulinde reto nyaramangana mayeso boikiranu nabayigo egekega katukuire na ntukule nebiringali byago asense mulinde yetuani yagatambe. Tusko tujale netuani yagatambe.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya buatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale yuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate time tembo abo bagokolimbire mu ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho teberie kende kensi uraganie bagoteberie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au unabono babwate no corrugated na boigo box corrugated asiko babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama bati ali aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Super Yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumu chuligo musongo eyuera ngene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Company ya Falcon bonno nigo egukorereria amangana matununto asamatao aye umureme nigo bonno bakoretere embusuro y'ikibando eyo ya ETG M601 eyo ekwama asegeka cyamatuko emiye mona 25 wika emiye mona 30 Oka bandega nigo ego ichuriyebu ya asekemba gyonsi nabo ego ekobo abu ya amasakara teriko gonda na nigo teriko igwa uburuire bw'ikibando beta nigo terigwa uburuire teriko ratabichondo bwege company ni bakoretere ubuyu bubusimeka ebimeri bwa Kaino Music obubumentre NPK obusyarira chikiro 50 nebere yuka aseka bwato boyo bunde bwa top dressing bukoro kwa Kaino Plus S ubu nigo butumeka oboyo chikilo 50 nebere nesano chuka aseka ubu nigo bukurenda ebimeri neriro lyao ebyamentaliga kubwa aburi tangani company ga ni bwate oboyo wa Kaino Plus Gromax ubu bwate potassium salva naboigo calcium urasiarere ebimeri byo binde byonse munabono amatunda onsi echae obori tibando chingende emesie ekawana bimeri binde byonse ayugusimeka asiriroba liyuguse obuyo buiga nigobore ase chikilo 10 igobogotoka ase eduka yokonya ebimeri nechinyeke erangi nasore bakire simi ase namba 0788000028 gosem 0705725735. Eduka ya Sha Ceramics nigo ebwate ebintu ebiye byekerero ebyokoneria asiri guririgia mbabwate chi tile ao chi chirange ao ne chi size ao chi power tool chi loka chi mirangu gose chi doa mbabwate chi marble naboigo chi granite mbabwate chi rangi ao naboigo chi skin coat mbabwate chi MDF boards naboigo mbabwate chi cho ni chi accessory chi cho mbabwate chi kitchen sink naboigo mbabwate emerango yo ere semi solid naboigo emerango eria solid mbabwate deformed bars naboigo mbabwate chi tangi chi machi chi size ao mbabwate chi cabinet chi ceiling board mbabwate wall to wall carpets mbabwate chi shower ni chi instant shower kroikyo mbabwate chi bathtubs chi size ne chi type ao mbabwate ebirobu ose mbabwate lighting chi type ao mbabwate chi gypsum board mbabwate chi channel mbabwate chi simiti amabati Chisco tube chichi size ao nebirengo ao incho Sha Ceramics bwenyorere asiri guririgia asamange bakresi mese number 0703943972 ajirira gocha aseduka yabere Glansons Plaza angana Quick Mart Kisi opposite Mucha Place.
Enyagitari ya Nuga Best nenyagitari ya chirengu maso gusegasigire mechando ya marwaire ayo agendera ko bagagucanda mwanya bantu nigo babwate emashini yekerero iyo ekorongeya egete ky'umugongo yanyinyitora emekia yane kyabuna chingurungo toka kire ase omubere yasibya manyinga egatimiremende emashini ye nigo eroseranirie amaryogo ayo akurukwa nano diamond titanium ayo agutumeka ase Ugwenia alenayo obokoreri wanuga best ni gobole oboigoro mono aseba bwate mechibi eyo ekogwenia marwere yenda buna bulya bwa ovarian cyst fibroids prostate enlargement egatia yanda mange wigo mbabwate machine nde okubeka samarekao eyo kuyarungeya igati yobokoreri bunde obu bakubwatuka imenya gitaririga iko bakwigura kera lituko ochakera chinse 11 chamambya gweka chinse 12 chambagaroba Nuga Best nigo bagotuka imiyumu cy'ubusongo ase nyumba ya Oru Towers lirongo lya kabere ase bare nene ku chinse mu kire cya Kisi Kisumu
nja samarieta ngoro kwanongaki ana arwareta marwaire aramange nkagenda chinyagitari ao korigyo bogwenia egere mbwene chinyagitari narete ne chinyinge konyoro bogwenia nkaewa mariogo nkanywa lakini timbe tinkonyoro bogweni boikiranete kero nacha Nuga Best ngashugulikerwa nkabango chakira lituko nkorara chimashini cha Nuga Best chimashini echinje abete chigonkonyo mogongo yone nkabwena arthritis nkabwena asthma nkabwena pressure boigo na maroira ndamanga yarengo mubirone ntamanyete na wenete
asamange bakirisi ni wetera sete namba chabo echo chire 0700260518 gose 0770268169 gose 0770410411 wigo nabukubatalira ase website yabo eyuere www.nugabestke.com Nuga Best kutanga mbuya kubwa kubwenia
Jema Preparatory School ni school y'umwana abuenete kwirikia na gusoma chinga kichiga school yekerero erosire ekerero naborokia banchire ni wizara y'ikiseme imeyensi ya Kenya school eganigo ibwate kurwa class ya play group goika grade ya kane mbabwate ebirasi bisaine nkwegeria bare guhitania masomo akawaida kwegeria bare French, sign language, music, chess, drama, dancing abwasi biringo baika asenga kiga ni bien nationals egatiga isaina sebagutinira endagera across kwa asachenire kegama babwato bosombi ibweskoro ebirengo by'oburendi eburigoro egekogero umwano akubeke kyara omanyigoswa naboigo ekaragosoka kurwa seskureyo dikya omwano aseskurega erasumuchie obosungu ensema ya jogo aria Saint Marks bakere Simiasi namba 0726732322 Jemap Preparatory School jishinde mushinde isiko yabise
nabona botambe nigoto kunyaraga batwarigereria abarai ao kuseba bwateli bagalia bene kubwa muno asaro ngora gusi tonyaraga batokogenda isiko yabisi twekaransa isiko yabisi twakwandira isiko yabisi abera
in fact bugirango wo nere ntangani yo succeed the unity opposition
ine indi Bible twe
ya nyimbo ile 1945 mutinyo gatano kitari 13
nkai Bible retwe
Seitere bobas boitangare sub county
n'araryaya bakorire ase emirimo yabo.
Kumaene kwa Nyasaye mbolinga chipara chiane nche by the time nkorwororo konya na igoire chipara Kisii County Otabale.
Eyamate yabo nereri.
Abana bane nabo bari emirimo bari abandi nabo bari Kenya iga babiri n'abandi batatu ngungu bari.
Ayo bakorire n'ayande amange.
They all came to campaign for me. Because the unit opposition started in South Mogrango. And that's the dream I want to have and play it back with these coming elections so that all can gain
na agara tu alenga bake nyorete ntwara esire tokatabu nga matego itiro musongo
neke mane nabo koira na maege distance gete entambe kwa minyoka bono liliago cyane nama nteji short kiri ogotuma ekire chinduru bono matana agosuka ogotigere goli kwa nyonzi
bagacha sende bali mu abasongo bagantebi organize strike mini school captain ndo tware principal ndo jinga na iseni. You know what I told them? In Form 6 in the born. I want to be a principal.
Tota idio choko kare ruwe bata ito ko banga kare.
Yani abasongo matake mboga ambega iga nkoro mu Africa nanga sengijaro mu Africa. No way.
Na yani ko kwali gutire ko se timu yawe yata yabanga ngwaye no musaja boli.
Bona ayuro na gotebi ebintu ebyonse na gotebi korugese na nse ko gotebi na kinete gocha
na visa ino
to ko iwanga wino musaja boli
Tomocha gusoncha isko yabisi Miyagetemba Television na Harun Ototo.
Ine kwabeire gukorera asenga kintambe guse niko kwarwalire na gusalia endibo enyinge bono tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya World Fit Health Centers neroli chibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate. No borero bwa sumbuira bagakenga abagaka sana bwe sukari, what you call the genesis of diabetes. Ngaki borero bwe sukari bo so mobero goime hypertension no borero kera manyinga ko genda igure so mobero. World Fit itosomete chinchereza to cyukorwa lya marwaire enchere ntangani itosomete ngendo nga conventional medicine, yani ubonyagitali wa kawaida. Tusomere tegenduka nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na malioga aliakuruese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have ntupiko amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumeka eso korwali ya marwaire. Nchirende ya gata tusomerete neka tukutumia international herbal medicine. Tukutumia malioga akuruese mete tuarwali ya marwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntobwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza noerega iga marikiti gaiso wako ninyama kwali na iguru wacho bakegoroba ya gatatu erumu 307A ntobwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
nando mwenchu muligiria sembeo kigima uyolinga no murobletu wani yagatamba tunye kusangamo no mugeni tobo no mambe mushumi wa Engineer Justus Muchoge ekatonye kuligiria magana mangi kigima twakwali bagana ya kuligiria magana siasa chagusi nabo igotwa kubulinga ajibire bigenderete enkugunga ibirengeli byombiri webiga nkyura sanga na intu ndake ikyoro chenga nkirage ndakolenga nuko ni kwago wose kango kiabero na kwaganiti inyuranga 0741583878 nero inamba studio namba ndere 0726447637 imambi ya bono alise mitandao tobaisa kweba kuli Kagetembe TV ase Facebook na Kagetembe TV Samaria YouTube imambi ya bono kutunya kunyelea terasi njirubo kangaru kuruga ase studio montegerali no mwanchu muligerali bono mambia mheshimiwa mutegena rubuli gorolibo liria empowerment chinga kichiato nyorake twanga ndo mutumbo konya kolira ni igo asokora kwa guru chiga amagana ya serikali gukora empowerment gusi bintu bibwa tumatunda
this again the group empowerment nkiyo
teyo
yani that's the starting point again the group empowerment gekuru kuna serikali na empowerment ngakora nkiyo again the keroro ukuri kibese kechi serikali kuna gutara kuna praipu abantu egere bamanyana na serikali nekoroteki nero so there is nothing called empowerment in fact kibese Nigeria icyari gutumika buya asi umugwekano toiro umugwekano wose no yo kitoto cyaje seito barugo cyabari cyus group cyabanga ni cya youth kiri kigodiri ni kingoko
yes
babagurire ndagera babagurira mariogo babagakire babasemye na gikingoko kigutuwa batige kyombekyo bagende kyabangna kiwato sine musyo sako babaimba payo kubeka kibese cyese sakeria abangna banse go borrow from down sako banyore bali babwatitinga yogosia banyororo babamentitinga indese babwatitinga distance fulani ndi bagende another distance ndi babogwe na baire no inisa tuchoke constituency they would have empowered at least some 100 families kurwa si mikiyo lakini kurangira mukutano bwe constituency unabona uyu bacha seito musocho mata bamana kurangira abantu bamana abange bamana ko baterubera gabo twakire empowerment rubera abo shiringi 200 paka abantu batete 200 joka twakiraga akiri tukuri moto 200 nende gise gikoreke kichake that's not empowerment clear no gutaka kungaina even the president of the country na ngokoratori empowerment kibasi kiri kwa ruti cyakorekani cyatumikire but in the actual sense kibasi kiri much of the money kigoswa ase mifuko ya leaders so again the group empowerment ngakaretiki nkiyo aso bwenye
right turanyora ibirengere byo motegereri andako rusiko kigima ere ibirengere byo mbirubiga tokirisi motegereri bono mambia sangango tumanyinga ayenga kiro chibiga bigokorekana siasa chioro gongorwa itorwa gusi county ya Kisii na Nyamira inga kiro chibirengere byo good morning Getembalo
Aro zarigo
yes
batagarata buya muna more no mwezi niwo imojoge
yes
I think ino mungwano minto korwa kanyimbo I think nyatieka korwa Bono njoma ete ento karokinda kanepti mangana empowerment aro tigasire ekara asirire tonyore bintu biro mato serikali hata to tongaina yango tonore bintu biro takonya tachore una bona igato kwate biranga biro chikajoro musimu ezniwa matiangi mondo tato ngaina bantu bane ko ngainu ngabane kwa ku 200 njiri ko takonya
oh yes
tachoro musimu matiangi akonya Kenya se kiraboni ga ruto bano ko tongainare mangana itigaere onzongo France onzongo kanyimbo
Alright, asante sana Francis Nsongwe mambia bono asinjibiregeli bibyago oigwete aebire ebiyanga kwabekira ebweka omutegerali nkiaje keregeli kiago ndake nkyubwate keregeli andake norokinga gusi ebintu siasa cyo gusinga ikikere nabo yigo ayago kolekana ekirone serikali ebwatu murobuli bwogo ikera omugusi asumurobuli empowerment oyu omoske Jesus muchoge atebirenga toyo namangana arengete kurwa liyakicheso mugusi nekene ibintu mbiri bimunchu muri bono mambia Matilda
kurwa asinse moyane no kubolenga empowerment yiga andake kiro tukuribuno omo women rep we county ya Kisii otemire ko enekia sana gose nko randenga nko temare ko ena nebintu bire tangible egento getarie besa timaitinga korosense moya kirengere kia ongereki ndo arora sande bagusubara chimboli na bintu binde ko ena nebintu buna chianga ebikoro toje saba na bechi school eyo ero andake nere nserengia
eshida tobwate ya ebintu bune bya women representative wose no entaliere gwekane bano no muchumbe yata gitugwita kire ward kuna kuru obeso boko kinaro lekane no kurire warding mose constituency ngima personally I had a different idea genga na bono CDF niji pasali wagenda kwabwa asandi shilingi 2,000 asandi 3,000 kwa mano kurwe constituency ngima umwana uria urenge national school utakiri waka na shilingi 70,000 nenda seri ukuri because 3,000 nji kwa I would rather take abana 100 a constituency hiyo na candidate their full everything utwali problem na bantu getega lakini okonye gesaku because literally at the end of the day ganta kwa gasinga yuja ngai gawisana kindaro riri gwateba onyumu gimenere bumungi na donya okorire igo sometimes ekrobwate umugiti chimbuli bero irero muntu gete no muntu yakirende inere better empowerment onyora sabantu ari nikono o drain ya maji na ki kubwata no ena maji aliyo kwa soko irira abandi na kitangi usiji school. If you do that one, that's a good gesture in ero that can also add a value okay ndori mera abandi gesime kyo konye kinyori kya maji usi school ya maji. That's also a good. It's not literally empowerment. You are providing social facilities for the community. But take rogo empowerment. Nekere ebese so muku. Ebese yego so muku na kwa wate. For example, camera yemo ende trigo wisana.
Comment.
Ore ruwe camera ya kabiri. Ruwe terene. Onye kwa wate ngombe yemo ende no wate e market yokonya mabero okonyumeke. Tuere ngombe ya kabere again at the end of the day aitokonia usina mabera yu kibese kikwabe kumugu ukosomeria abana bawo usuko kurwaro kire nyagitari yenga for example binti bi digress kidogo for example ngende kuna bano kurwaro uko tuanacheire one or two people sha 6,000 12,000 and mwakanu mwakumugima.
Yes.
Lakini ekero kwirumu muntu inyagitari neno mankurota unaki aigashatiri gokoraki.
Yokora.
That's a government hospital. I'm not talking about private. I'm talking about nyagitari na Jaramogi Oginga Odinga.
Chisekaya. Yes.
Eldoret Kenyatta hospital. Usiya mama Lucy. Okogendo ndi watu na yendigyo totegie kurukusha into akana ali akana kibese onye gutegi kumanya shango kolele gas gustego kolegas kindly more especially as matano whatever maternity and the rest boli abangi takubuli bagaka baba na siasa bawonjo kana abana na sha is working so mondo kokwa na sha bobe it is not working so the government should be told teba to what the problems let's go back to the ground to check assessare gete tore kebisha
right
so empowerment no wakwanu muno na gakore binde binga batinda birora isakoba that is true then that's good is actually assisting the society.
Tiatonyole esimendeka iga umuligeno mwategera libono mambia turamanyanga ayiki agu kirengeli kiriki kigekera yu akunya kwa bayigo bono mambia nyoringa ebirengeli byoni bingi chenene. Good morning etwani. Hello
saliga mana tani ya Bwakira kuna ende
Bwakira bia
ya mwe koso lika nga sengo wera ya wasune kaseti na ngwe bontari ula bono mate bontari mbele ya ko tamu singo orwe kaera.
Yes
Ekaro mo ambia so visio mo ambio nchoke tara kwa keden kora gerare agintu manye de bosi la basa serikali bado ngeba mandia wangira hawa kaito ko chinturende.
Getembe. Good morning. Hello etwani.
Getembe
Bwakira bia
wewe atakile tamoja tonda tikutenya kutoka
to baby yerata
ba sawa nchena no abantu bamuntu mate banchitebesa muno matano isawa kwa kanga ya ne mangano wokwana butaiga abantu bali gutaka ikintu ya bali gukata tikito kweli unayo bukwana kwa jumeno ngao kale kono motaka lakini wao mepiji mefeji wato ili ataka tuibingi anto baito bali kelezi.
Yes
Bafia matianye kilo ngara matianye mednero mun.
all right neruga yoko terangu gwete gocha edansira sematiangi. Good morning Getemba. Hello egati kubulisimi yomweli gatra agenda somushimiwa akatunya ukura etwani Getemba. Hello yes good morning.
Hello good morning.
Hello Getembe.
Waikira jisa mune kiale anano atonyore.
Kwana kuna ituma nono.
Onjo somana no manyene. Ata manye siasa tiganga tadi ya mosani wane. Siasa abantu be siasa umaete wone bawo tabakwana buya. Ajiri wai kawama ya wadotige roro igoro.
Yes.
Wanasiasa ni kama serikali mapema buya abwata mange.
Aga kale kurotota ekranga likio mwanasiasa kigogo Mwalimu Bifole Wakole wakati mmoja alisema sisi wanasiasa ni kama shetani igina kale ukono mungona gabo no mambikolende etuna Justus Muchogega mwanasiasa mwanasiasa bwana tate mama ngana yande. Good morning yetu hello Bwakire.
Getemba Bwakire. Ona lendo njo kwa matali express mbora
abantu bakitu cheche South Sobo engineer Muchogole kaiga
na kaiga tito dikuta South ona nina kwa na ngoro yiki para lende chinde charo tiwe chinde kwa promise tu kiraro tuwa.
Yes
Ndio mara watanga ekaro tokanya wasibao taina kipasa linkuru vale para nkoro sibale kwa maganyonga wasimu parao sibale
yes
nasa mwezi pasa liyo yomo saro wasimu rai yichingi ba kutumira kuruga ya serikali ane abantu babagera kipasa
kone ginga mushimura sestu ngura liriboli libi yako tebinga ketukwa ne baseri ne yomo jumbe gusene serikali kuru koko erali
alafu na inale kubuli ekara no muntu watawu promise kipara kinge wanyona ngatara akole okonyora akolenga na bunawo ikere no kibata gutungura ro tiyo kange aho garu muntu atakura ro kipare ya muri nderati amana bokuna menye
chire banaseza bakuru project mushimiwa na bungoira eliara. Asante sana Joseph.
Baba
thank you kurwa kitu cha South enkole ngiye birengali bya bangiga bigucha doche bakuwaka bangiga kolende nkora noyo Getemba. Lo Hello Getembe. Getembe ya
Getembe.
Yes
Onzarigo naro korre ya France nzongoruka nyimbo
France
naro ya omwezi wa jata zimajobe anka nyimbo rende batoligere kipara cha sita arakinende ento karokingo korera mati yangi bweka rutale andaka
Ono yairolera na ndiko nyoro mugeni piko lendo kora kandi kubeke message yae yaigwekanire mushibu wa ebregeli bya bange gwetinga kibocha lakini bolindiria boli gwa ngabera tatu iga ndaga niyo kore reaction as amaboli ayo nale oboli goro ya as Basseries amangana ya Basseries ine ebintu biri no mujumbo kurushi musharoye usinga ibikurwa bekango teneni
tokwane mukwano yo manali usenguru aita sune kawana usasauti murango kwana gura mangana siasa na bana siasa na bakora and the rest. That's our nature of Kenyan politics. Karona kinet na lengo mokeli na ko examples kia banyona ba wate siasa ere people based and the same baba the rate anyeni including babo Enoch Makara and the rest.
Yes.
Abantu limba wate siasa yalengi ya nende yalengi people based. Era against siasa yalero siasa yale na gotebya chibesi chabiri introduce your order ni chibesi ukwana talisia siasa. Unfortunately kwa pati mbaya enzeteli era tenene era gamberwe etabu ati siasa. Was politics.
Siasa bakia korekana.
It is what organizes
actually
society.
It is life.
Organizes society. It becomes politics na kyo kugambira abantu na kyo kugambirwa na kyo kora kyango na kyo turata ke tugambirwa mbintu kiturata ke in a society in a school was na maja and the rest all those things is politics. So there is nothing one you must put up with the politicians again turaka is to shape politicians yabo onyoro kochora politicians wale pro people and pro development but did na siasa to konyara go do with politics. Mwano minto kuruka nyimbo Frank na itete kanyimbo gabu yesterday karanali kurunka no na itete ngamaro gocha getare so the roads chirororo bnakwana this true they are pathetic makulia legalia ayande yo MCA ayande ayatwa kwa na kera aide bakuri machipara cross drainage mbako beka culverts wano na kwali me para kwanya beka iga nende mambi mbrobu neguto nende ya yasera. So therefore I agree but we komanye the kind yo muchumbe yeri dogo chora kuroma MCA paka umugabano paka no ene president yao no ryoyo no you're interested in the development was no you're interested na kubeka chibesi ya muguko. So eyo ne responsibility ya wananchi kumake sure na ki chipara aminu type yeri da ke mogocho. I leave it to you. Nara ukwa na iguru chibesi ja CDF na bantu akubeka ni chumwe na siasa ni chie serikali and the rest. Inchini ya muchoge I've always insisted nimbo muchumbe mambia CDF ibwenete kurusuwa so muchumbe totally muchumbe gasi ya no korosya machiko oko oversight oko represent the people ase katiberia definite terror yo mubunge tetebeti na nengo kubagale CDF na nengo gotenale CDF gotenara mangana iki basari. That's where we went wrong. Again to get a kiro CDF inabe kulimain lakini ebe totally linked kurua so muchumbe torosia commission na bantu wa director commission yo mugwekano internet jikura ke nyingiba nende kudigeri chiboundary. We can also have another commission internet CDF nere bwate leadership ya bukuru paka ward level. So abantu na bago chama ba discuss problems cyaba cyozi kibese kiri bayiruwe from the national level chiubwene to kurukose CDF chi committee chiro siri ne commission yeye n'abantu bagitenindira kibese cyakora kicyatume kororo umucyumbe gasiya no kumanya na kibese cyite constituency icyarenge million 130 uchiko investigate na kibese ikina kitumegete onye kitumegete bobe ogenda parliament ku represent abantu ayo tabana aige pare njali mitwe naro kibaligete 100 go say 5 million lakini pare ye eri watu 2 million
because tali erutumiete from the commission
but vono igas with speed mwanja timwancha CDF yons bine yo muchumbe ne roro se chi company chikoro chipara ne robe geta bairi baye Jones binero kubiku muguko agenda gari uri kipare njari mitu asetare mirichi beso biku muguko na agenda gari o iribage kuri mwana kubiku morom ogenda uri mukuri muguka watabanja biku morom. So that is exactly what hapa bunge bakora. So they're looking kibese bakuriya babiku muguko bachiwete nenkeria na hende mambi ayegere bache in terms of handouts. Njina vile approach it several times mutawataki muchumbe na ato ete CDF ya shilingi 3000 airene mucho wotaba muchumbe ayatoto 1000 kono kuro waku minaki oyigaru ete kibese chi serikali abwata na kiaruri you want me to compete nere gekere na bwata kibese chi serikali chi CDF chi airwo so you want me to compete onye mutagete nse yerunge ibintu bikorekana bya n'iki commission yecho bono mubungera mubere raisi okora investigation y'abantu abe commission yetende tekibese cya CDF na kiyakorete aragenda bakari poti no police y'abantu babwatu babekume transparency yerekana ekeratali involved all right atabwat interest so ntulyo tabana CDF yeruopi ekara chini kibese cya serikali we need to structure kuwe commission ekorani system hiyo spingima
management
buna wana tuwate judiciary ekorani judiciary Kenya ngima paka ground na tuwate electoral commission ekorani kuruguru paka gira so we should be having a CDF body ekorani up to the ground asu mubunga atali woche matali ko chole committee na for example bona iga ngochoru mubunge mambia igende tangani chairman ya CDF no fund manager uri serikali yororobweka he has to do what I tell him or else he will be transferred muntu tenere chipara ni chengo chora muntu tenere electricity within the constituency no muntu uri onkorere campaign muntu uri CDF chairman no muntu uri on support ye campaign ubege torro chipapeti chao ukurusiri chibeso kwai arabu mwata na CDF ya korera kibese cya tumikira sama ngana constituency kiri kijinge sana onye ndiki go tumika buya nanga nani kipara cyo speech bikiri kira nanga kira bante bwata maji nanga kibe police station kibese dia police station nanga kire constituency I mean kire ward yebwate a well equipped police station but because chiko so emebuko yabantu bachi kogora chinyumba na Nairobi bachi kogora chindi Mombasa abantu bagenda Rwanda niko agacha chinyomboro that's why you always complain nage CDF njajete nende yaide you will continue lakini utarore the actual work umuntu akagenda urusha mabati ubeke skure ya madana muroje na CDF yakonyete gazi my tax.
Alright, so, mwanchumulire lido chega ibikonya kwendega chikugenda chiko kana chinsa bono mambia lakini nyoringa insemili yendo mwaka nkorongo chari na Friday Express ayo mangana unsi arama ya kegima Davine Onyancha good morning watching you mangana yunamaya oburayibo itubu autora nire tigango esrekali iligirili kaki empowerment nengana yobo kora buogo bwatu mwananchi anamono targeting Fred Okengo akurunga Gilbert Mangabo nairukuli Kayonsi bona mambia good morning sante sana nyoro yomuga katugo kura kura senseme good morning tuani hello
usalima wakire
ibo kiete nata
wakire bana inte
wakire yakima
litanga ni ko kiriji semane choroboti
akurunga Geoffrey omonyene Blackman Opera aguma etengitu chachi South Mude
awanda igora so muisinu ya jasa sumuchogale ikapatisa ate nama etoro boti go denga tama idino wago etoma go jatau
yes
abo ngwete era sira mangana maya ade na wana ara mate yege ntongira kwandra una mangana chipa na bintu binde na mangana ji school una lero apa na batu ngai na ba ikabaru shema bati ya makuru babe kaya chale roburu bata baro siji school mangana CDF nare watu ni school mochowe na saya nya kama konja kara ile banyora bangina na bangina bachande kitu sana maji ande ngoma teurenda ka weta igora boti igora ali kaya jiru tari ka buzo wala karu ali chikagende bate chikagende kujinga tiko mocho ara nyora bangina boro boti iga abikire nona gataya na boro ganya kumurikira bahe ko tiri ya saro rumbi yamono
asante sana mwananchi na watu kugani mwananchi yako ni mpaka na uliotalii serikali asante sana my brother Musani one sana Blackman Opera kuru roboti abantu bakirija je South mambia bono Matilda ndaja sore andake mushimu utaira niliyekeiga Blackman Opera kwana tubate biama Kenya. Do you think in a general term patsim mangana politics yeko enda nibyam boni ga mwananchi anamana mugusi na hachukuligire lingo limatilda ne kya magetale amanya ko mochoro suno muntu.
In reality umuntu bwena tukuligeria individual.
Oh yes.
But ne individual yenero ne bwena tukuligeria ntokuruka roko politics. Bagota na politics isororo roko. As interest y'abantu baino bakire you bring politics from where the interest y'abantu bino bagotaki bali.
Meaning ngonya abantu bano baso enyongu getebe naso.
Yes, kunayo nabako so enyongu yime murua ndre kurwororo egero mu still byo kurumu ya. No genda kiama kendi gyonsi urate lakini no wakora politics ire roko you will still emerge. Nene nabako so kakuru. But bagota politics roko esababu naye mone ili naki Kenya etuwa tubukabiro bonge. Boni ye kogera igenga na one for example umweshimiwa Gachagua agote umweshimiwa Matiang'i nagenda gusi orosi chama yino gusi ukorusi yomano go chato te chikureire ngo bwate tumano ikaranso on this same table toga what I call is stupidity. Nende akimunya bera so gutimigite kabirerio because I am one of those bar 100 to was secondary preparation as a young boy. I was there when I was to Rwanda bangana ye katiba kuru 1994 bakke katiba twaje tukanyara 2010. I have been there. I've been an activist. Even Devions. To koirania umuntu takire ko be national leader. Bwanchire Kenya ngima. Umano kumuira back to the village. A village in yae which comes in automatically. Ekerorumu ya it will come in automatically. So again to kelina ki purpose ni inaki oye tokom de enda gusi amenya gusi kara uganda gusi tumano wo cha tuli kensa Mount Kenya 6 million votes. Ukambani 2 million votes. Western 3 million votes. Kisii 1.5 million votes. Amana kubolwa. Roche 1.5 million. You are going to support your 6 million. Was no your 6 million. We are going to support you to 1.5. Meaning competence, national appeal. Umuntu ra colleagues bia koraki bia tuturu sana. Man, what you are only going to do is kukia nenge wata 1 million is that. Ikia nenge wata million mbili go naye into tra kole no ko minister wa mache. Você teja tocou o minister Pogodiri na sports, you to win it go, kubori kuro kilikenene. That tells you, you want to be sakwe bibire bikibita bwati numbers, birobimbiko gamba Kenya. Umuntu kas orokiri ukindire bwanchiru Kenya gimorol gina na bwate competency. Why must you combine umuntu yo into a compartment yege sakukiabo? So that's where abande toko machigachagwa. Usuna ligichi ba kumoroka. That's why tote Matiang'i tubaso so umotege kabiroyo injugusi organize kwa nabantu baino genda isiko organize abantu baisiko kwa nabantu baisiko let abantu ba Kenya bachore competence umuntu ra salvage country ye from the engureria umuske ruta to bekire mana komenta na madini yaringe yo uru okonyamenta nasi ubibura sensema ugambi bwa ruto so we are down in the mess, totally in the mess. So we want somebody who is serious or have bulldoze bintu or have serious or introduce competency nendo tayumu kabira.
All right. Asante sana ndo chigana bange bakulikana chikumyoka sana andake Matilda inkilira kwane kiruguli babire kuri nsema yago tutachi okora ndo chinsa chia kanire keguma ekatunya kwalia ni nsemeli ya Friday Express.
Aigase buna chinsemo cha Facebook ndo chenga mbaroro bakonya ko sanga anainto buna Amos Kamori agote asipanduki ngo niko ndani ya kipindi agote wangano ale meyo murobere goika omwere babo John Okoro babo Judy ndo chenga nabo bagenda tukusanga na into asenchira ya bene ekigima bakurika ujumbe chabo bagoteba naraiga kaire tenge kerengere kya na bwateri borigete agotebanga Frederick Gemba agoteba no democracy in Gusii, people are chest thumping. Ni kama hao ndio wanatupea okay. Wanatupea hewa okay. Christopher Atandi eragotebwa nkoro chinse mochia abonyangi na boyo kamemba Joseph erateba chinse mochia nyanchwa no are imeyo murobiri pilipili hoho na boyo Sangela David nkagirite nga siyanse mo ya mabori no yoyo mobwate ribori na boigo yigata bokoro gesima nyabuya pamoja na CJ agoteba kutoka Emongario Siri ni Joshua Munyancha okiavera agoteba ndiko ndani mpaka mwisho kora nyabituna nere agoteba chinze mochiri cha burabu bumachoge burabu nere agoteba nganigo areme iyo morobiri oyega moya nanda kurwanya genke umwiwa baba kinami pamoja Dominic Irere kurabo mukora Stella Omare agoteba kora chinze mochanya maiya na boyo bana baske basokoro doa Qatar agoteba nga Gusii andake demokrasi ukasibole mboyo abantu nigo bawe yake kuba mono
adindo chega mugone mukuru kunga agotebanga akurunga spend day mukuru nyangoge liete itata kwero getene likongo agotebanga intuna banchali twanga inure mono ekino ekigito kungaina na intu tuligire bosio tolenga kitoko konya musi right kadoche chakanire mushimiwa Justus Muchoge andake ngira na sole ekero crown andake aye buno yomo kwa beirigeti sane siasa ko kwandije ikanga ibiriga kwa naba gitutu ba chache south kuigwa bange bakirukuruo bagoteba lende nolio obwo robot atebanga
ne robot ninkasito
chita ya njia yali atima itimu chandonga kiyo chakoba
number 1 nimanye tere aron nyingi ngumiro mu MCA singa matanga asamatanga ngoje mu MCA yikabo igito ndakore nokumatebi na abantu boropoti balirire taya jinjiri aria ekine gintu ge county taya njire nyatieko ni chibone mwechobori ari nindagete taya ekobe kunjara aria egere obibimbo poe yakeno ena bana bali bakon chinyanya abara no abakino ensa tatu bamana kugenda nyumba. So I'll definitely, that's an issue within the county. I'm sure I'll pass the same message. Which is my MCA, Mheshimiwa Umweri, again the Amos, again the as a county yabo, atebi umugabana, wakora arrangements, babe kijitaya. Frank, that one you can be sure, ikikeroki ni nkwane.
Joffrey,
not Frank. Joffrey, that one I'll do it.
Okay.
And generally. So igo kwangereri
baba ina kwali bagabonura kwa no mukituri cha South raka kwa monya oragaiga walibonse bakurigiriti na ndo maite mba maite nga Justus Muchoge mwana siasa mukuru sana uyo ireroro anake ndinde yo okubuli singa 27 kwero bereti bona abo bakwanira
litangani tianda tume ngora yane asi abana ba minto ninzireti my aunt
yes
musbati mwa batata okurukumeri ericha so natago tumengora yane asabana ba minto mwana musbati minto Stella nendu ya migiro na momanyi na miyogo na hapre na magoma ongote ipore ya ikirego hapeni tigatomwe ndirero neshima ya sainaro ya kabere mugakanaro tukinetie kurwase kanisa kurunyatie kali kanisa mugaka mukaya uchwangi utuma ari nataka musani ono lenga sana ende kegoligia tata nero ralire natakure ngora yana se family yo munginoye mungina tuanje temono sana na bana bayi twasomete na barabu abana bayi babo Joseph babo Truvena ni family iri ngimango bataipo Paul tuirane asamana abugetutu wachache sema tukairire mbarandura mono bakona kunyukura sivyo mbebi tindagenda ro because umuchumbo choletwe tomweteri bagakore gas
yes
tacha gutamera 2027 naitwa mukorete siasa from the word go so tigakore bali turisiko tumukriticize tumuri comment asakorere buya tumatebya buakorere buya asatara akora buya tutarekebisha tutakriticize so that you ikenga kiyo totebe gakoreke na intundo jitokoreke neke lakini ndiro taka muntu acha contribute ya CDF because that's government, that's my tax, that's my everything. Umuntu abona tuko na ideas na kia kubika bangana na kia kubika youth yamu na kia agu assist abantu kujora ibarua and the rest. Lakini watana na anyora tikibesa ankalime pareli that money is there. Muchumbe nabo na tabo chibese nyinchi kolegasi nchibangire na nchigende constituency. So that's a normal thing. So somebody should not talk about it again. Na nabali meraji para tari ntwa kuri meraji nchibese chitu chia karate igasi. Individual initiatives na chiribonura chokonye nyore kibarua kia baindi bando bwataba muraba bera nyaro kiberisa tobairo abuna byora tena na konyete uchonyore idea geto urinki kiumbe gete within an NGO gete ebakonye. That's a personal initiative yogo jigoko yogokonya. So abage tutu ba minto mwe space mwe beta kururaga ngamate pakeruga oje pakamaneke oje pakanyanchu ngumbuse itiguruga iga pakuikuro bebe ari rwade serokare mwecho buri gituri moino onko bakwanya mbate imuchoge notore turatika siasa. Currently I'm the chairman ya Jubilee kitutu cha South. Bunama tukaku na goja ntobaya tebyo mwerekea wose ngakitu torengere tigoro ya mangana yejikura. But for now I don't want to give my commitment in our quantity. Na batebiri mobe komorembe na hende criticize never ninchi muchoge never no MC ochorete no never no muchumba chorete motebi mbya mana sa kodriya nende mu criticize ya soro atarakora biya nende genda motebi tabaso tagutwara ubwoba never ninchi muchoge na ko muchumbe iwo gocho ntebi na muchoga ikingwa korete biye kikoro tokoreti erina litoko konya abagambi baitu nabagambi baitu bategerere bamanyana ki ekero umuntu criticize ya yotari ya mwangete. Sometimes you criticize, arekebishe, it will be good for the society and the community. Minto mwe sipi, oyo ni engineer Muchoge. Kuru 1994. Karatu acha kanende na mangana Raila, Moro Odinga. I can confidently tell you that as a usiga igabantu parente Raila Odinga usi etorevane.
Hiyo te kampeni ya moto kaminka korasi kituko mnyoka sana. I attended it happened that I was one of the reporters. Na ande sign yage ya lingi gushtua sana. Ike manyeri kwa bwata usienge mondita nyoge tuara.
I'm sure you are young.
Ngota lingi madiri da baadaye katua rone anki kwa bwata.
So after that na varenterete mheshimiwa Uhuru. Actually we started Jubilee together with the TNA together na babo umheshimiwa Chimyangwe. Na atari umheshimiwa Ruto usiga igekarale minister no ne karale deputy president na mokoli chiara mbese itonya kwa mata na nyetie ko seituruga. So all these leaders are my friends and I know them. Abantu ba mocheire na abantu babage tutu batana ko ngemba wabuya egere ebyongosi bitwons tu amanyanire bibakonye. Okay? So tikeja sawa sisi ni sawa.
All right, sasa dezana sikwate birubya nga no borujeka gwakolireko lakini area ngocherire. Asante sana. Basi bwana Matilda, anything left?
Tinkomenta kende ko rasensemo yane. Yes.
Lakini unyeli toko rwa sembeo ngotebi game ekimanyiriro justice mushoga bwata se chikambeni chae urase kempa gukumi ikia sana gialing right wono munchubulino muncho batali wikiraga gutigango tukolere asetwanirero lakini unyolenga nyuma tuakolere kuruga igasembeo omwaka onkorogo kibachangu chara somorubuli kurunga Friday Express yemo asibite byanzugwe dania ayo mwenyene uganicho musiki uganeti konyegera byonsi binchira tubaise gusukata nsabaliende ekero tugusanga kurunga Mike Wills ngono kurukunga nere Wilfred Matundura nindo chegali ngono kuna Josephat Sungura na bande umwaka nkorosho saganere nigikusikigima kiage Tembe TV and the radio kiragago. I want to appreciate. God bless you so much. Have a lovely day. Chinguru kwa mwanabuliro bajofri unsarigo ndoke GO G4 government officer. Bye bye. God bless. Chigage chigia. ine kwabeire gukorera asinga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia endibo enyinge buno tokwa omoyo inyagitari ya World Fit Health Centers neroli chibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na